Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Today let's learn about signs and symbols. Male and female. These signs are used commonly to distinguish the male and female toilets. Disabled sign. This is used to show disabled access. Pedestrian lane. A pedestrian lane is a place where pedestrians can cross a street and where motorists must stop to let them cross. No overtaking. As the no overtaking sign is regulatory, it is illegal to overtake. No U-turn. No U-turn is usually seen on a sign that says you shouldn't make a U-turn. No parking. A no parking sign means you can make a temporary stop to load or discharge merchandise or passengers. Bus stop. A place where a bus regularly stops, usually marked by a sign. One-way sign. One-way signs are used to inform motorists that traffic on a street is traveling in one-way direction only. Stop sign. A stop sign is a regulatory sign, a traffic control device that warns drivers to slow down and prepare to stop. No matches. Danger. No matches allowed. It's flammable area. No littering. The purpose of the no littering sign is to remind road users not to litter and to inform them of the consequences of doing so. No bicycle. No cyclists. This sign indicates that bicycles and tricycles are prohibited from passing beyond the sign. No smoking. A no smoking sign in a place is a notice to say that smoking is forbidden in that place. Fire exit. An emergency exit in a structure is a special exit for emergencies such as fire. Recycled. This mark is placed on recycled objects to tell the consumer that they are buying a recycled product. Poison. The skull and crossbones symbol means the product is poisonous. Licking, eating, drinking, or smelling a substance marked with this symbol can make you very sick or even cause death. No swimming. This is a prohibition sign indicating a danger or prohibition and starting something that you must not do to avoid a dangerous occurrence. Do not enter. Do not enter sign tells you there is a danger ahead because vehicles will be coming towards you, usually on a freeway off-ramp or one-way street.
Thanks for watching. For more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.